Oh, Stella is checking out the backyard, seeing what other animals have come through here. Raccoons, possum, cats, probably dogs, and she's always sniffing. Her nose is always going. Come here, Stella. Come here, Stella. Oh, she doesn't want to come towards me and the camera. Check out that little tree that is growing there next to the shed. Oh well, let's see if I can. Oh, no. Oh, she sees cats and she will take off across the yard pulling me along if she could. And I gotta stop her because she is strong and will pull me across the yard. Stella? Sit. Stella. Oh, she doesn't pay attention to me. Terrible trainer I am. There. Good pose.